Hi folks, I am NAIPUNYAM here at APSSDC. I brought an information about an opportunity to upgrade your engineering skills. APSSDC, in association with EduNet Foundation, is offering technical workshops under its Future Skills program, leveraging IBM Skills Build platform. The workshops are on emerging technologies and employability skills, wherein students will learn about Industry 4.0. Participants will be having choice to pick any of the courses visually. Artificial intelligence and machine learning, data visualization using Power BI, and front-end development. The students of engineering having computers or electronics background from second year onwards are eligible for attending these workshops. In this one-week workshop, you will be having a 3-hour mentor-led offline session and also self-paced learning. So what are you waiting for? Utilize this valuable opportunity and upgrade your skills. Get registered at naipunyam.ap.gov.in. See you next time with another interesting update from APSSDC. Happy learning, folks.